ET Now's SME Caravan will now make its way to Mumbai to explore a company that's offering emergency services across India. With its strong network of ambulances, this company is today helping save precious human lives every day. Take a look. Over the years, the Indian healthcare sector has seen an increased demand for specialized and international quality services. So in 2005, 5 young professionals decided to cater to this rising demand by setting up Ziqitza Health Care, a company offering world-class emergency medical services. Today, the company takes pride in providing a fully equipped network of advanced life support and basic life support ambulances across the country.
As we researched about this starting ambulance services, it became almost clear to us that there was a very clear opportunity which existed in India to start an organized ambulance service, and that's when the idea was born.
A social cause turned into a business model when Ziqitza Healthcare earned the support of state governments and received investments from well-known companies. Its medical services are available by dialing 1298 or 108. And both of these are equipped with advanced technological aid such as GIS and GPS tracking systems for ambulances as well as call center operations.
So we are an ambulance company, an ambulance organization. We currently provide 2 types of services. One is the advanced life support and one is a basic life support. On our ambulances, we have a driver and a paramedic, which is basically a male nurse, available 24/7.
How important would you say is the call center operation in your company?
Pan-India, all the ambulances are connected with a state-level call center through GPS and GPRS. Whenever a person calls, so for example, I'll take the example of 108. When a person calls 108 or 1298, the call actually reaches a centralized call center. The call center is like the nerve center of the whole service. So the call taker comes to know where the person is calling, and because he has access to GPS and GPRS, which is connected to the ambulance, he knows where the closest available ambulance is. And based on the closest available ambulance, he dispatches the ambulance to the scene, and he communicates the same information to the caller.
What inspires you to be an entrepreneur?
For me, serving people it just gives me a different kind of high. And my pride is that we have served 18 lakh people and we have 4,800 people whom we employ. I think that's what the success of this enterprise has been, and my success has been.
From here on, what are your future plans for Ziqitza Healthcare?
We are ambitious because we believe that in India, this service is required for people. So we are looking at least 4,000 ambulances in the next 5 years, and really reaching out to all corners of India. And not only that, we are also looking at other developing countries like Bangladesh, like Sri Lanka, like Africa, because we believe the experience we've gained out of working in India is very relevant to similar geographies.
To ensure that its emergency services reach different areas on time, the company launched a training branch called Life Supporters Institute of Health Science, which provides the required medical training to its staff so they can provide proper medical care.
The drivers are trained in basic life support. So in the basic life support, they would have lifts, carries, first aid, how to set up an IV line. So it's a strong, integrated, robust training for these drivers. For the paramedics, you would provide them advanced life support training. So this is an integrated 30 to 45 days course. So there is airway management. They are taught how to take care of a person having cardiac arrest.
With the help of a robust training system, advanced technical facilities, and timely medical attention, the company has not only become a leading healthcare brand, but has also been actively involved in many social initiatives. Ziqitza Healthcare has touched many lives, and now it aims to extend its services to other developing nations as well.
Ziqitza Healthcare My first advice to you would be to focus on brand building and increasing awareness of your services so that you become the first port of call for patients. The second suggestion would be to invest in a superior analytics platform which allows for route optimization so that patients can reach to the hospital in the lowest possible time.